Ever wonder what those numbers on plastic items mean? What about the different types of plastics that surround us every day? Today, we unravel the mystery of these ubiquitous materials. In our everyday lives, we encounter various types of plastics. Each one has unique properties, uses, and implications for our environment. Understanding them can be an essential step towards responsible consumption and effective recycling. First up is number 1, polyethylene terephthalate, also known as PET or peat. You'll often find this plastic in your soft drink bottles, peanut butter jars, and salad dressing containers. PET is lightweight, durable, and highly recyclable, making it a favored choice for many manufacturers. Next, we have high-density polyethylene, or HDPE, marked with the number 2. This plastic is sturdier and more opaque than peat. You'll find it in milk jugs, detergent bottles, and toys. HDPE is safe for reuse and is widely accepted in recycling programs. Moving on to number 3, we encounter polyvinyl chloride, or PVC. This plastic is tough and versatile, used in everything from pipes to vinyl flooring. However, PVC contains harmful chemicals and is rarely recyclable. It's best to limit our use of PVC where possible. Number 4 introduces us to low-density polyethylene, or LDPE. This plastic is soft and flexible, often used in grocery bags and cling wraps. While LDPE is safe for reuse, it's not commonly accepted in curbside recycling programs. Next up is number 5, polypropylene, or PP. This plastic is strong and lightweight, often used in yogurt containers and bottle caps. PP can be reused and is gradually becoming more accepted in recycling programs. Number 6 is polystyrene, or PS, commonly known as styrofoam. This plastic is lightweight and insulating, making it popular for takeout containers and coffee cups. However, PS is rarely recyclable and can leach harmful chemicals. Finally, we have number 7, which is a catch-all for other types of plastics, including polycarbonate and bioplastics. These plastics vary widely in their properties and recyclability. In summary, while all plastics serve a purpose, they're not all created equal. Some, like PET and HDPE, are widely recyclable, while others, like PVC and PS, are best avoided. Understanding these differences is a crucial step towards making informed choices and promoting effective recycling. Remember, recycling starts with you. Knowing your plastics can make a big difference for our planet. Let's all do our part to reduce, reuse, and recycle.